On-screen title, How to make a voice memo ringtone on iPhone, easy method. Narrator, in 60 seconds, I'll show you how to turn any voice memo into a custom iPhone ringtone. Narrator, Step 1, open the Voice Memos app. On-screen text, 1, open Voice Memos. Narrator, tap the red record button and capture your message, sound, or song clip. On-screen text, record your voice memo. Narrator, when you're done, tap the red square to stop. On-screen text, stop recording. Narrator, now trim it to the part you want as your ringtone. Keep it under 30 seconds. On-screen text, trim to 30s. Narrator, tap the 3 dots under Finished Memo, then choose Save to Files. On-screen text, share Save to Files. Narrator, next, open GarageBand on your iPhone. On-screen text, 2, open GarageBand. Narrator, create a new project using audio recorder or tracks, then rotate your phone if needed. On-screen text, new project audio recorder. Narrator, tap the loops icon, then Files, and import the voice memo you just saved. On-screen text, loops files import. Narrator, drag the file into the timeline and make sure it's under 30 seconds. On-screen text, adjust length 30s. Narrator, tap the down arrow, choose My Songs, then long press your project and select Share Ringtone. On-screen text, My Songs Share Ringtone. Narrator, name your ringtone, tap Export, then go to Settings Sounds and Haptics Ringtone to select it. On-screen text, export and set as ringtone.